My dear students of playgroup class, today is say and match. Say the sound A. Match the correct picture with the letter A. What is this? Elbow. So elbow starts with A. What is this? Cup. K. No. What is this? Egg. A. So match it with A. What is this? D. Drum. No. What is this? Elephant. A. Yes, match it. Okay, beta, after that move to the next letter, F. Okay, now you all familiar, this is F and its sound is F. So how to write F? Here are the dots. Start from here, move upward, touch the line, round and a straight line, and this F. Again start from this line, touch the upper line, a straight line, and F. Same like this, complete the page and send the picture to me. Okay, this is F for face, for fire.